guys, welcome to Summer Auto Part. This is Summer. Today we are going to introduce the body kits for V-Class W447. As we can see, the car comes V250 and the V260 in the market, and there comes also mattress and Vito. And what's different of the car, we can find that the headlights is different. So we have the body kits for upgrade the low profile car come to the high profile car, and there comes also different type of body kits for V-Class. So today our point is the best selling ones in our company. That's for the M design. This M design is based on the GLS M design, and we can find the front facelift is same as the GLS Maybach, which we introduced before. As we can see, the headlights we use the M design, and to upgrade the car from the low profile to high profile, and the front facelift we can find it comes the same chrome part design as the GLS, and the front bumper grille that's also available for the ACC vocation. The bonnet is also changed, and we can find the logo here. We can make it Mercedes-Benz or M design as you request. And this is the front lip. We can find the chrome parts is really nice. And for this body kit, we do also make some change of the rear bumper. Let's go to see what's different on the rear bumper. So as we can find the rear bumper of the V-Class, we changed the tail lamp. The new tail lamp is the dynamic brace tail lamp, and this is the rear bumper. We can find there comes the chrome parts, and this is also the fake tips design, and that make the car looks more luxury. And the complete body kit for the V-Class make the car like a much more expensive car like a GLS. So V-Class is getting more and more popular in the market, and most customers like to change it, not only the exterior design, also the interior design. As we can find for the interior design, we do also change the car country, and this is electronic one with the motor, and we do also support to change the rear seats, the sofa, and the small desk for the seats. And in the next videos we are going to show some details for the interior design changed. So if you have interest, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also check the previous videos of our manufacturing details for the air armrest, and also the ambient light details videos. So thank you very much for you watching today. Any questions, just contact our sales department for more information. Thank you very much for you watching, and see you next week. Bye bye.